Boom. It's got barely any battery. We'll have to charge it. Good morning. All right. We pulled in the first slide, so that's cool. Another great thing that's going on is that the fridge is starting to cool down. So we're gonna try to roll out. So we're gonna go out and put the bike on the bike rack. Hazy Bean's gonna take over. We're gonna put Marley's bike up, and we'll see how it goes.
So scary. Oh my heckles. Dad, look at that. We have to get one of those.
You gotta get one of those?
Yep. What? My heckles.
No way.
Please door handle.
That is so great. Look how big it is.
Look how big.
Wow.
It has three.
What?
It has three door handles.
Yeah.
Oh my heckles.
What do you think? I think your bike's just gonna have to stay in there, in the truck for now. Well, I just had a guy show us how to use this leveling system. It's really nice. I like it, at least. Hopefully I'll get used to it and we'll be all right. But I wanted to just grab the camera as we get ready to go. It's a cool moment. We got our home hooked up, slides are in. Shot, first tow. Nervous. Driver swap already. Mama's getting her feet wet. We're getting her feet wet. Do you need a drink? Okay. Got headphones on with Hazy. We're watching some movies. The dogs are being good. Marley's being good, doing some Minecrafters. Mama's towing for the first time. She says it feels stable, feels good. Really hoping that the fridge is operational and everything's good to go. Nervous, to be honest with you, but outside of continuing to live at the RV dealership, I don't really know what we would have done, so we gotta give it a shot. So, hopefully it's all good.
GoPro, you suck. Oh, I gotta put money in the potty pipe jar. So, we just drove the 3.5 hours from West Palm Beach to a very low branch. To Venice, Florida. We drove from West Palm Beach to Venice, Florida, and we are staying at Camp Venice Retreat. So we're driving down this tree-lined forest. Hopefully it's a nice park. All right, so we're getting settled. We're at our site and we think we finagled the trailer how we want it. Good job.
Oh, you are. Hi.
this one of them as well.
Should be, we have 5 right now.
Okay. This is all very strange. Can't believe we actually have a new trailer. And I can't believe we just towed it to a campground.
So I got West Palm Beach RV on the phone and I'm trying to replace the heating element in my fridge via FaceTime. So far I've got a little bit of it pulled apart. Thermostat's plugged back in. Alright, plug it in. Hey, how we doing? It's Zach here with the Kirtner family. We are under 40 degrees in the fridge, which is positive. First dinner.